Dear Donatella, I almost lost everything. First came the blackmail note, "You did not write Spritz Me." I did write that song the night Angelo died. I confronted his ex, the Baroness, and she told me Angelo is alive. Angelo survived the crash, recovering from amnesia, when he heard my hit song, "Spritz Me with Your Love." He wanted money. He conspired with his accountant, Jacob, to take down my empire, Narcissist Records. Jacob even proposed to my daughter, Cairo, in order to frame me for tax evasion. I tried to reason with Angelo, but I got arrested. Luckily, the Baroness is a world-class spy. She sprung me from jail, proved Jacob a fraud, and had Cairo's wedding annulled. She saved Narcissist Records. Like you've always said, strong women need to support one another. Love, Angelina.